According to Brat, she was unable to get an appropriate black sperm donor for her pregnancy. This is why Brat recently revealed that she had trouble locating a sperm donor that felt like the appropriate fit. She is currently expecting her first kid with wife Jessica Judy Dupart. Brat stated, "Definitely not a lot of African-American options." In a scene from her reality show, Brat loves Judy as she browsed through profiles on a tablet. The pair used Dupart's eggs, and she later stated that they had to find a sperm donor who was free of 4 different things that I'm a carrier of. Dupart claimed that actually reduced our candidates by, like, 90%. The couple ultimately had 300 selections, but only one of them was black, according to Brat, and that looked like Jiminy Cricket. "I was like, I'm sorry, but that wasn't going to be my choice." The women ultimately decided on a white donor. "He was clearly not black," the rapper added, "but we didn't have a lot of options." Unfortunately, the couple's struggles to locate a donor of color for their sperm are not unusual. A study on the availability of sperm donors indicated that non-Hispanic white, Caucasian donors made up 70% of the alternatives. It was published in Fertility and Sterility last year. For men of other races and ethnicities, such as Asians, Hispanics, and Black African Americans, the options were far more limited. Black sperm donors in particular frequently have trouble obtaining sperm donors, according to Dr. Ashley Wilcher of the Columbia University Fertility Center, who spoke to Yahoo Life. In contrast to white sperm donors, who make up the vast majority of sperm donors, black sperm donors make up a relatively minor part of what is available at commercial sperm banks. According to Dr. Jane Frederick, a board-certified reproductive endocrinologist at HRC Fertility, sperm donors are virtually usually white. It's very challenging for black parents who want to start babies but can't find a donor who resembles them. Discussion of infertility is uncommon in many minority societies. Therefore, it's possible that some communities are unaware of the need for sperm donors, says Dr. Kim Thornton, a reproductive endocrinologist with Boston IVF, in an interview with Yahoo Life. Men may be less reluctant to contribute their sperm if there is a generalized distrust of the healthcare system based on prior experience with experimentation within the black community, according to Thornton. More importantly is the lack of information being disseminated into minority communities to dispel myths and to highlight the need for sperm donors from minority groups, the author claims. Sperm banks need to be intentional in their efforts to educate about the need to reduce stigma or mistrust and then recruit minority donors. Given the scarcity of black donors, there may be high demand for the sperm that is offered. Frederick notes that if the black donors are being used up, then there is a shorter supply for other people of the same race. But this is not only a sperm donation thing. Dr. Asima Ahmed, Chief Medical Officer and co-founder of Carrot Fertility, tells Yahoo Life that it might be challenging to identify donors, both egg and sperm, who come from a particular background. However, patients frequently have a wide range of options. When choosing a donor, intended parents have access to donor profiles that typically include health information on the donor and extended family, parents, grandparents, and siblings, education and professional experience, baby pictures, and answers to personal questions such as artistic and athletic ability, favorite childhood memories, and why they wanted to become a sperm donor. Allison Margolis, egg donor consultant for Mavin Clinic, tells Yahoo Life. According to Frederick, some firms also provide pornographic audio and visual content, which is frequently accessible on an easy-to-use website.